Hello everyone, magatas na pagkuglak sa itong bag and in-attaching this lock sa itong bag sa everyone. I'm gonna need this piece of rattan and of course kanito pangikot piece of rattan niya po. Some other materials I needed to do this: cutter, atong ilab, and of course atong tuging. So first I'm going to put this in place. And natas na ito ang lock guys. Ang sunod na ito ang imuon kay ang iyang string. Alright, so I have to make sure that the length of my string is accurate so that it would look like this one later. So, ang kulang ani lining na lang, cloth lining na lang din. Mauni ang atong set. It comes with a sling bag inside. Alright, so just to let you know how much work is put into making this bag. Alright, and sa atong mga supporters, sa atong knitted bags, daghang salamat everyone. Blessings! Mag-amping ka. Love!